SNOW stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I am the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And with Snow, I mean, I'm gonna come out here and just try and search from previous receipts. Yeah, I have this receipt here in the Discord. Unironically, with Snowflake, I haven't made a video in a very long time. Even when I zoom out here currently, like I'm not gonna like look at this and be like, wow, it's so bullish. I mean, I know it's pumping up and whatnot, but the real reality and truth in the matter is that I'm definitely looking to double down and buy, but I'm praying for corrections. I'm praying for a little pull downs and double breaks, because then and only then I'm definitely looking to buy. And buying randomly, it's not gonna come. You know, it's not going to happen, at least not in my eyes. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.